guys, how you guys doing? So today's video, it's a little change that I did. You guys remember before I put those black plastic striker covers on? I'll show you right here. I do this in all my cars. Very simple, just something to clean it up a little bit. So I wanted to try something a little different. So I found some new ones. Same type of thing. They just go over cover the bolts really. Just clean it up a little bit. So I found some metal ones. I'm sure you guys have seen these. They have them for all cars, Hondas. I mean, all kind of makes on it. But right here, has a little logo on it. Thought it was pretty nice. Just double-sided tape. Goes over the existing one like that. You just peel the tape off and it sticks. I got the black chrome one. It's kind of hard to tell. It looks chrome, but it is black. Like I said, very subtle. They have blue, red, regular chrome, whatever you guys want. A little nicer than just a piece of plastic. So you get 4 of them. I paid $8.99 from AliExpress. You can find them everywhere, Amazon, eBay. Like I said, they have them without any logos if you want, or they have ones that say A-spec even, but I just thought this was kind of clean. Like I said, it's the little details that I like. So I'll go ahead and install those, show you what it looks like. Okay, so again, nothing crazy here. Just peel and stick. I think it looks really clean. I like it because it's shiny, because it kind of flows with the paint instead of being just a flat piece of plastic. I'll show you the other ones here. Like I said, for $8.99, just very clean. I kind of thought that on this car they would already have them in it, but a lot of manufacturers don't put them in there. I think BMWs I've seen they do, but so like I said, very basic, but a nice little touch nonetheless. And if you guys don't like the logo, like I said, you can get them blank if you want. The black chrome looks really nice though. Eventually I'm gonna wanna do the black chrome emblems that kind of flows with that. I figure it all flows here with the little sill they give you. So I'm very clean. No major purpose to it. Like I said, just covers the screw covers, which makes that look a little bit cleaner. So if you want those, definitely check them out. I'll put a link in the description. Like I said, or you can go to Amazon, eBay, they all have them. Just type up door striker cover and you'll find a lot. Okay, guys, I appreciate it. Hope everyone's having a great day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.